Welcome to this video. Here you are going to learn how to use IntelliJ IDEA Ultimate Edition in order to create UML diagrams from your code. In order to get IntelliJ IDEA Ultimate Edition activated, you just have to create an account at JetBrains using your school email. Now, what we actually have to do here is obviously we load a project. I've already loaded here a sample zoo project, and just in case you may have to build it. After the project has been loaded and built, what we have to do is right click or control click on the main folder of the project, and then you just go diagram and show diagram. We have to choose Java classes diagram, and then basically you should get something similar. I'm going to intentionally remove IBIO. It's like basically like a big class that we're expected to use anyway. And here we're going to get something a little bit less cluttered. In order to get a diagram, a full UML class diagram, you have to turn on the fields, the properties, the methods, the constructors. Like you may actually get, like the first time you see your diagram, it may be just something like this, which may be useful, but it's slightly minimalistic. So we are actually going to start adding the fields or attributes, the constructors, the methods, and the properties. What we have to do next is make sure that the class relationships are shown. So we just use this, show dependencies. And I would recommend you to beautify this a little bit by maybe moving some things around. And after you move them around, you can select them, for example. I'm going to select these two and click on route edges. So basically it makes it a little bit easier, cleaner to read. Once you're happy with your UML class diagram, control or right click on an empty area in your diagram, and then you can say export diagram. Here you can just save your UML diagram. I would strongly recommend export to image file. So here I'm just going to say, we'll keep the same one, zoo. And you're going to notice I had a previous version before, doesn't matter, but this is actually like the saved version. You may also want to export the diagram straight to the clipboard, the whole diagram into the clipboard, and then you can of course paste it into any document. This is pretty much it. Hopefully you find it useful. See you next video.